Okay, so this is the question, and what we have to find for this question is the question given is a mass small m moves on a straight line with its velocity varying with the distance traveled according to equation u equal to a root x, where a is constant. Find total work done by all forces during the displacement from x equal to 0 to x equal to t. Okay, so this question is this question applies the work energy theorem. Okay, so we have to find the work. So work is what? Work can be written as total change of kinetic energy. The total work can be written as change of kinetic energy. So see, u is given, so we can find the v, the velocity we can find at every point. So we can find the kinetic energy very easily. So no need to find force and no need to find the force into displacement. Okay, so we can directly find the change of kinetic energy. So final velocity is v, so half mv square, initial is u, so we can write like this. Okay, and what will be initial velocity and final velocity? So initially x is 0, so we can write u is as a root 0, so that is 0, and v is a root d. Okay, so this will be at place of x, we have to put these two values. So half m a root d square minus half m 0. So this will be m a d square by 2. So this is the work done. So very simple direct application of work energy theorem. So this is from work energy theorem. So from work energy theorem, we can write total work done equal to change of kinetic energy, and kinetic energy can be written in terms of velocity, and velocities we are knowing. So if you put, we are getting this.